My name is Michael Mitchell. My special topic is over marijuana. Vindication of marijuana stats in the United States. Since the 1990s, there has been growing amounts of support for the legalization of marijuana for health benefits and also recreational use. Beyond hard liquor and tobacco, marijuana has become the third well-liked substance in the United States, as well as across the globe. This issue that converts marijuana like the other two, hard liquor and tobacco, is illegal status. According to Clark, in his article, Medical Marijuana, the use of medical marijuana has continued to grow among states. Currently at 16 states. Today, I want to persuade my audience the legalization of marijuana to be ethical. My credibility is to speak in support of this topic because I have done deep research throughout my years. I will also include my four main parts: financial savings, crime rate reduction, health aid for the country, and also stress control. My first point that I want to argue is the financial savings. According to Myron, legalization will reduce the need for prosecution, judicial, and policing resources spent by approximately 7.7 billion to 13.7 billion per year. The challenger, like myself, opposes that help to save money over time. The legalization of marijuana reduced to a level of spending. And proof, I have taken a poll at Angelo State University, which includes five different students from five different backgrounds and majors. The five majors are business, English, sociology, and nursing, and also mathematics. The sample have asked the students if they have saved money from buying pills and also tobacco products. Two out of the five have continued to spend the same amount they have. The other three has reduced their spending by half. Next, I would like to argue for the crime rate reduction. The study published in the Journal of Economic Behavior Organization has taken advantage of two windows between 2013 to 2014 when recreational marijuana was legal in Washington but illegal in the adjusted state of Oregon. The researchers focused on countries on either side for state borders, 10 from Oregon and 11 for Washington. Comparing the crime statistics, data on alcohol and drug consumptions, and Tom Jacobs' article, Legal Pot, is linked to less crime. He researched report consumptions of pot increased after smoking it became lawful, but the change in the law apparently decreases. Opposing have faith that by legalization of marijuana will reduce the crime rate because it would easily have the product accessible and also it be popular. My third point I will discuss in my paper is the health aid improvement within society. According to Health Europol, in the article 20 health benefits of cannabis that everyone should know, they present different health benefits that occur with marijuana usage. For example, the relief of chronic pain, the help loss weight, and also it fight cancer, and also prevents diabetes. On the other hand, I talked about the substance help fight cancer, but it also fights different types of cancer. Finally, I will argue on my behalf of the positive use of stress control that you have control over while smoking cannabis. A Washington State University study has examined how cannabis combats stress, anxiety, and depression by looking at different statistics and strands of the quality. The result of study shows that patients inhaled cannabis saw a significant reduction in feelings, depression, and symptoms being reduced by 89%. However, the study also reveals that the symptoms of depression exhibits 3.2 sessions. There was no change in 7.5 sessions. The symptoms of anxiety reduced by 93.5%. There were no changes in for this session, 4.4%. The symptoms of stress reduced was 93.3%, increased 2.7%. The stress control had been positive, even so it led to a lower level of depression and mood swing. But finally, I have summarized my main points: financial savings, crime rate reduction, health aid for the country, and also stress control. Today, I have persuaded my audience for the legalization of marijuana to be ethical. After my persuasion today, so do you believe that legalization of marijuana has been beneficial to society? If you have,